Welcome back, everyone. So I'm starting off with prepping my eyes with concealer, and then I'm gonna follow with eyeliner gel all over my lid, and I'm spreading it out, blending it throughout the lid to get that popping pigmented color that we want for this look. So I'm just brushing it all over the lid and spreading it out until the brow. Next, I'm taking a black shadow to dull out the liner, and then now I'm going in with a neon green shadow, just packing it right on top of the black gel liner and the black eyeshadow. You're just gonna dab it for quite some time to create a buildup of the green, and then I decided to leave it on for a second so that it could concentrate on top of the black gel. Next, I'm going to be lining my eyes with a black liner, and then I'm going to follow it up again with the pigmented neon green color, adding mascara, and then I'm adding liner. Sorry guys, this video is quite fast, so I'm trying to catch my breath. So we're going to add liner. We're not going to create a full wing, just a bit for dramatics. Next, I'm going to be using a bright shimmering green for the tear duct, for the tassel, and then I'm going in with foundation. I forgot to put on concealer before the foundation and after, but it did come out quite okay with just foundation. So I'm just going to dab the foundation on under my eyes and everywhere. I'm just gonna pack it on. I forgot to fool myself putting on prepping my face with setting powder first, then the foundation. I'm just gonna be dabbing that all over my face. Next up, it's blush. I always smile when I put on blush so that I know exactly where I want it to go, right on top of the cheeks, and I'm blending it outward. What a cute smile. Next, I'm going to be lining my lips with a dark brown color lipstick, and then I'm going to be filling the lips with a nude brown. I think it's a bit of a mauve than a brown, and then I'm going to be lining my lips with a black pencil quite lightly to fill them out. And there we go. Work it, girl, work it. Thank you for staying tuned. Please like and share the video to everyone else. Bye.